Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you about how to dropship Amazon to TikTok shop. So we're going to walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on how to successfully dropship products from Amazon to your TikTok shop. So this is whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your e-commerce business, then this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. So, dropshipping from Amazon to TikTok has become increasingly popular due to its simplicity and potential for profitability. So, by leveraging Amazon's vast product selection and TikTok's powerful marketing capabilities, you can reach a wide audience and drive sales for your online store. So, for us to be able to get started with this, the first thing that you need to do is to find a profitable product. So it is really important to research first and to know what are actually the top items that are selling on Amazon. So you need to head onto your Amazon account for that. And then right after, you'll just need to browse onto the different items in here that they offer. So you could start by researching trending niche and products with high demand. So here onto Amazon's website, you could actually see some suggestions in here, such as this one, top deals. So you could see all the deals that are top right now so that you should be able to see which products are selling the most. So you can use tools like Amazon's bestseller list, keyword research tools, and social media trends to uncover potential opportunities. So as you can see, we have different deals in here. You could also try to browse onto the different websites that offers trending items. You could also simply search Amazon bestsellers in there so that you could actually see what are the most popular products based on sales onto Amazon. So as you can see, we have different categories in here. So you could actually choose onto which one. So just like what we mentioned earlier, you need to have a niche first. So you need to decide onto that so that you could go ahead and just choose the category that was into so that you could just simply click. So for example, you're actually trying to sell books. So if you want to go ahead and try to see which are the bestseller for books, we'll just have to click onto books onto the categories in here. So these are Amazon bestseller books. So these are based on sales. You could just browse through this so that you could go ahead and see what you want to drop ship. But if you're actually just gonna look for any department, you'll just have to click onto any department for that one. So aside from this different categories in here, you could actually see some bestsellers in home kitchen. We have some unique finds here. We have clothing, handmade products, automotive, grocery, and many more. So this list are actually updated frequently and they contain the best-selling items. So it is actually better to go ahead and browse through this so that you'll have an idea which are actually selling so that you could go ahead and see them. Now, right after, what you need to take a note of as well is you need to go ahead and analyze Amazon reviews. So once you have identified a few potential products, it's time to dive deeper into their Amazon reviews. So this is actually very important since this will actually help the buyer to go ahead and trust also the same product that you are selling. So for example, let's try to find a product in here. So just this specific sweatshirt. So you'll just have to click onto that. And as you can see in here, right after you click onto a specific product, it will go ahead and redirect you onto its detail, its title, and this rating as well in here. And you could also see the category for that, its price, the different variation, product details, and many more. So you could scroll down further in here so that you'll know more about the manufacturer for this. And also you can see the product description, product details, and of course the customer review. So you'll just have to go ahead and click onto this drop down so that you should be able to see its star, its global rating, and its percentage. So you could click onto this specific rating in here so that you should be able to see what customer says about this specific product. So some of it might provide some images, so this is actually a good thing. So you need to look for products with a high number of reviews and positive feedback from customers. So you need to pay attention as well to any videos attached to the reviews, as this can be valuable assets for your TikTok marketing strategy. So you can see we have here different specific reviews from that one, but we actually have also in here the picture, which are actually good since we can use this under drop shipping. So you could just go ahead and click on to see all photos and you should be able to see all of the photos for that review. Now, right after, the next step for this one is we're just gonna go ahead and click onto the specific review that we like. So after analyzing the reviews, we could select the most compelling review pictures or videos. So we need to look for something that highlight the key features, benefits, and customer experiences. Since remember, when selling or drop shipping, authenticity is the key. So we need to choose videos or pictures that resonates with your target audience. So let's just find something in here that could be nice. So just for example, this specific review, we're gonna go ahead and click onto that one, since what we need to do right after is to download this and edit the specific videos or photos. So we could use different tools like ZDrop, and you could download the selected review, photos, or videos from Amazon. So once we have downloaded this, you could actually edit the videos to optimize them for TikTok, or you could edit the picture, trim any unnecessary footage, and you could also add in some captions or add in some stickers or graphics to enhance engagement and ensure that the video fits to TikTok vertical form. So we need to make sure that we could create a video onto a vertical form so that we could promote this well onto your TikTok shop. Now you could just go ahead and simply right click onto it, click onto save image as to save that specific photo. Now for us to be able to drop ship this specific product, so we're just gonna leave here onto the product description, and what we'll need to do right after is to sign in onto your TikTok seller account. Now, so you can see we're currently logged in already onto your TikTok seller shop center. So once you're already here onto the dashboard, so that we could start drop shipping that specific item from Amazon, then we'll need to head onto the products in here, click onto manage product so that we could add one. So right after we get redirected onto this screen, since we're just uploading our first product, you'll have a guide onto what you need to do for that. So we need to select an accurate category for the product, fill in the information, and the product will be displayed publicly once approved. So we're gonna click onto add new products in here, and you don't have to worry since all of the details that we need in here are actually just available onto the Amazon product details that we have earlier. So this specific sweater, we're gonna go ahead and sell this one. So let's head to the TikTok shop seller again, and then we'll just need to go ahead and fill in the details in here just like what we've mentioned earlier. So for the product name, we have that one already in here. You could just go ahead and copy that one out. You could go ahead and paste it here. Right after, you'll just need to select a category for this, and then right after, you also have a brand. So if the product that you're actually selling is with a brand, so you could add it in here. Add in some product attributes like your instruction, season, clothing styles, length, occasion, sleeve length, its fit, material pattern, sleeve type, style, neckline, embellishment, closure type, color type, size type, and design. So this would actually base to you. If anything applies, then you could just add it in there. So this is where we could go ahead and add in the media that we've gathered earlier. So remember the one that we've got from reviews, we could actually upload that one in here, and you don't have to worry if it doesn't have a review. With a photo or video, you could just simply grab the photos that are available here onto Amazon, like for example this one. So we could actually add this immediately. We could also add in a size chart so that it would be perfect fit for them. And then also right after that is, since we mentioned the size chart, so we could upload it in here as well. Then we could also just add in a template in here so that we could select the size chart template. Just click onto the drop down here and then add new size chart. So if you have a video, you could upload it in here. So product description, you could just use AI generated for this, but you don't have to worry if you don't want to do that. We also have about item in here. On Amazon, you could just simply copy that one out and then paste it here. So onto the sales information, you could just go ahead and add in your price in here, how much quantity are you actually adding, and the seller asking you. So for the shipping, this is actually one of the important part. So you could just go ahead and simply to fill in the details for that one in here. And then right after, when someone places an order onto your account onto TikTok, then you should go ahead and try to go ahead and order that one here onto Amazon. So you'll just have to do that specific thing. So you'll just need to review their shipping details so that you could just go directly and go ahead and have it shipped out directly to them, or you could just simply go ahead and try to have it onto your warehouse first before you ship it back again. That is up to you. You could just go ahead and submit this for review right after, and then you'll just have to wait for someone to go ahead and buy your product that you have drop shipped from Amazon to your TikTok shop. And that's just basically it onto how to drop ship Amazon items to your TikTok shop. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.